you look at this? Oscar and Stinky haven't moved since I left them there last night. Oh, you remember Stinky? Oscar's new pet seagull? They're quite a pair, huh?
Hey, what's the big idea of waking us up? Yeah, see, you woke Stinky too.
Oh, Oscar, I'm sorry. I mean, I was trying to be quiet. I was trying to whisper as softly as I could.
That's what woke me up. You were talking too soft. You gotta be loud. The noisier it is, the better it is for Grouch sleeping. They never learn, Stinky.
Well, now, wait a minute, Oscar. I was trying not to bother you.
Well, why don't you really try not bother me right now? In fact, forget about the trying and just get lost. You heard her. Now scram. There's nothing like a little yelling first thing in the morning, is there, Stinky? Ah, yeah. You sure do know how to have fun. I tell you, Stinky, with you as my pet, I'm one happy Grouch. Well, I think we got all the things we need for our trip to the dump, Stinky. You know what we got? In the picnic lunch, we got peanut butter and oyster sandwiches, on stale bread, of course, clam onion juice for us to drink, and I think we've got enough ants for both of us. But if we don't, I'm sure there's a lot more at the dump. Ah, yeah, we got a great day planned, huh, Stinky? Hey, oh, I almost forgot something. That old shoe you like to play fetch with. I'll go get it for you. Don't go away. Okay, well, we're all set there, Stinky. Stinky? Stinky! Maybe she couldn't wait to get to the dump and she went ahead of me. Huh? Stinky? Stinky! Hey, wait for me! Oh, no. Oh, where is she? I hope she's all right.
Oscar? What's wrong?
Stinky disappeared.
Disappeared? Like a magician? Does Stinky know magic?
No, Elmo. Stinky doesn't know magic. Oscar just means that he doesn't know where Stinky is.
Oh. Elmo will help Oscar look for Stinky.
No, Elmo will not help Oscar look for Stinky. I've looked everywhere for her, and I can't find her. She's not even at the dump.
Oh, but Oscar, Elmo really wants to help.
And Oscar doesn't want Elmo's help, because it's too late. She's gone.
Okay, Oscar, come on. Let's put these signs up.
Signs? What signs?
These signs.
Oh, well, what do they say, Gordon?
Well, they say, lost seagull. Answers to Stinky. Call Oscar 555 ouch. You see, we have to put these up all over the neighborhood so everyone will know that Stinky is lost. That way, if anyone sees her, they'll call Oscar and let him know.
Oh. Elmo will put up the signs.
No, Elmo, they have to be put up everywhere.
Oh, okay, Oscar. Elmo will put the signs everywhere.
I better go help him.
All done.
Impossible.
Elmo put the signs everywhere, just like Oscar asked.
Wow! Look at that. That's incredible.
Well, I couldn't have done it better myself.
Oh, boy. Elmo helped Oscar. Elmo is happy Elmo helped Oscar. Is Oscar happy Elmo helped him?
Happy?
Uh-huh.
There's only one thing that'll make me happy.
Oh, what's that, Oscar?
Yeah.
Take your hands off the Grouch!
Whoa.
Lost seagull answers to Stinky. Call Oscar 555 ouch. Oscar lost his seagull. Hey, Oscar, yo! What do you want? Well, I just want to let you know that I haven't seen your bird. Yeah, later. Hey, Oscar! It's about your seagull. Yeah, what about her? I haven't seen her. I thought you'd like to know. I hope you find her. That's it. Next time somebody comes by, I'm not coming up. Ha! Really? Oh, gee. Well, I better go tell Oscar. Thanks. Yeah. Oh, Oscar! Go away, you big turkey. But, Oscar, I have news about Stinky. You haven't seen her, have you? Well, no, I haven't seen her. But I know something about her. She flew away. I know that. I mean, she really flew away with some of her bird friends. Well, when is she coming back? That's just it, Oscar. She's not coming back. She told a little bird to tell me to tell you that she's sorry, but she can't be your pet anymore. She's a seagull, and seagulls love to fly with seagulls, so she just had to go live with her bird friends. She's never coming back? No, I'm sorry, Oscar. Oscar? Yeah, I heard you. Now go away. Okay. Gee. Now let's see. No one's that way. No one's over there. So, I'm all alone.
Oscar,
What?
Big Bird told me your seagull Stinky flew away to live with some of her bird friends. Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. I mean, Stinky flew away. She didn't even tell me goodbye. I'm really angry.
Well, I thought you liked being angry.
Yeah, usually, but I feel sad, too, 'cause she's never coming back, and I really miss her. I wish she was here right now, but all I have is her favorite shoe. I feel terrible, and I'm not even enjoying it.
I'm sorry, Oscar.
This is worse than I thought. You're touching me. I don't even care. Am I ever gonna feel like my old rotten self again?
I'm sure you will.
When?
Well, I don't know.
You sure?
These things take time.
Well, I'm never gonna feel right again. I'm gonna feel like this forever. I don't even feel like telling you to get lost. In fact, I want you to stay right here. I better go home to my trash can before I want a hug or something terrible like that.
Squawk! Squawk! Oh, boy.
What?
Squawk!
What's going on?
Squawk!
Oh, it's you.
Squawk!
What are you doing, Elmo?
Elmo's not Elmo. Elmo is Oscar's new pet seagull.
I know seagulls, Elmo. And believe me, you're no seagull.
Yes, Elmo is a seagull. Elmo has wings and a beak, and he goes squawk.
I don't believe this.
See, Oscar does not have to be sad anymore because Elmo is his new pet.
I don't want a new pet.
But Elmo is trying to help Oscar.
I don't want your help.
Huh?
I don't want a new pet. And if I did want a new pet, I wouldn't want a pretend seagull.
Oh, but Elmo can play fetch just like Stinky did. Huh? Come on, Oscar. Throw the shoe, okay? Elmo wants to help again.
You really want to help me?
Oh, yes. Elmo really wants to help Oscar.
There's only one way you can help me.
Just say the word.
Scram.
Huh?
Hey, did you hear what I just said?
Elmo heard. Oscar wants Elmo to scram. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. Come back here.
Oh, boy! Oscar wants Elmo to help.
Just get lost.
Elmo does not understand, Oscar. Oh, well.
Not so fast. Get back here.
But Oscar just told Elmo to get lost.
I know. Isn't it great? I'm starting to feel better, like my old grouchy self.
And Elmo is helping Oscar feel better. Oh, boy!
Yeah. Wow, well, now I'm feeling better. You can really beat it.
Okay, Oscar.
Hey, you heard me. Take a hike.
Okay, Oscar.
What are you doing? I thought I told you to beat it.
Elmo is helping Oscar feel better and better all over.
But I'm feeling really rotten. I want you to get lost.
Oh, Elmo sure does like helping Oscar.
Will you stop helping me?
This is so much
Go
fun.
away.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters G and Y and by the number 18.
Oh. Hit the road.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.